What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install EA Sports FC Mobile 26 on your phone. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open Play Store the same way it is on your App Store on your iPhone. After you do that, move here in search and type like me FIFA 2026 and you will see this first game, EA Sports FC Football Mobile. Open it, this is official game. After you do that, just press here install and wait for download. And that's it all guys for this short video how to download and install FIFA 2026 EA Sports FC Mobile. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Also guys, we have here one more thing, just scroll here down and you can actually download FIFA World Cup 2026 app. This is official app if you need updates and football matches. Bye guys.